Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a private Skribbl room and setting language and rounds. This puts you in control of play. Once done, open the custom words field and paste your list, using commas or new lines to separate entries so Skribbl reads them individually. Make sure to include enough words for the number of rounds and players. Shorter lists repeat. After saving, copy the room link or code and invite players. This gets the game running with your vocabulary choices right away. Once the list is in place, refine it for fairness. Mix easy, medium, and hard words so everyone can participate. You should remove commas inside phrases or use a different separator, because commas act as separators. Plain words and short phrases work best. Next, start a quick test round and take a turn drawing so you can see which words appear and how they display to guessers. This helps you catch formatting problems and adjust word order, difficulty, or round count before the main game. Now start the official rounds and monitor game flow and chat. You'll want to catch problems early. If you need to change the list mid-session, end the room, update the custom words field, and recreate the private room with the old players link. If words don't appear or show oddly, make sure your text uses plain ASCII, avoid illegal characters or emojis, and reload the page. That single troubleshooting tip, checking coding and punctuation, fixes most display or parsing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.